Hey everybody, Brent Bowen here from Bowen Customs. Welcome to part one of 2 videos of a walk around on Scott and Ashley from Adventure Further Off-Road's personal tow and camping rig. This is a 2020 F450. Scott did the liquid spring installation himself and then brought it to us for the bed. So we'll just do a quick walk around of this truck. For starters, it is an 84-inch cab to axle. This truck has a 24-inch garage and a little over 8.5 feet of bed space for your large full-size slide-ins. A lot of standard chassis stuff, cab stuff down the side here. You'll see more as we walk around the back. This particular bed, he opted for camper centering wedges to keep his Lance 1172 locked in place. We also did gooseneck access door, and he optioned a full bed line in the back. As we come around the side here, you will also notice custom heavy-duty tie-downs for that Lance, so they don't block any of the doors on the camper. Our normal storage down below, as well as up top, continuous storage here. And then our chassis cab steel bulkhead. So this bed is all aluminum, except the steel subframe and the steel tie-downs, okay? So this is how we can tie down these large campers like the Lance 1172, Host Mammoth, stuff like that. And then lastly, as you come up to the garage, Scott optioned just a basic strap for holding down his full-size spare. So pretty versatile build. You'll see in the next video, we'll have the camper in it, and I'll walk you through a little more the ins and outs of how we fit different campers. So if you guys want to learn more, shoot us an email, info@bowencustoms.com. Thanks.